Hi guys! Hello! Tapos nag-audition na Miss Q&A. Pa-audition ako guys. Dito sa La Union. But I represented my home place and it's Zamboanga. Yun ang represent ko sa Zamboanga. Pagod si Bakla! Oh my God. I am Judea Dorsky. Not Windorski. Di na lang ako kasi ang pangalan. Judea Dorsky. Kasi, of course, fun fact about me, I'm a stylist of Bea Milian Windorski's Lola. Ako gumagawa sa lola ni Bea. Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Ang family niya here in La Union. Ako gumagawa sa kanya lola for almost like 20 years now. Yes, of course. And I've got the opportunity to cut the hair of Bea also. Our Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Meme Vice! Sana pansinin mo naman ako. Kasi gusto ko talaga makita ikaw sa personal Vice. Gusto ko na makita. And of course, I think I will be very happy all the way here in La Union, all the way from Zamboanga to La Union to Manila to meet you, Vice! Sana mapansin mo itong video ko, At saka hihingi ako sa'yo ng consolation prize. Kasi magta-travel ako going to Manila. Tapos wala pang sasakyan, magbabas na lang siguro ang bakla. If ever napipiliin ako, magbabas si bakla. From Zamboanga, di ba sa Zamboanga going to La Union to Manila, di ba? Magtalak tayo, Vice, if ever makapasok ako, magtalak tayo ng Chabacano, like, por favor, gracias. El hombre, mujer, que bien bonita kasi Vice ganda, que bien manada, la mga gente que quiere igual contigo, que tu cara bien bonita, y tu mujer que debe el mga gente aceptar la comunidad y habla contigo na ito un mujer que ve manada mga miyembro de LGBT aceptar y quiere queda igual contigo. Ayan, feeling Diyosa talaga si Bakla. Ayan, audition ako, nag-makeup na ako. Ganyan guys, as you can see guys,
may lalaking paparating. Ano naman ang malalagdag kapag ang bisita ay bading?
I believe na ang malalaglag po kapag ang bisitang dumating ay bading ay ang chopstick. Dahil alam po natin na ang chopstick ay may dalawa po, which is yung eto tapos eto. Kasi yun sumisimbolo yun ng ng pagiging bading namin na kung saan yung chopstick ginagamit natin bilang pang scoop ng mga
Sunod-sunod po, si Christopher po dito sa una. Tapos next, si Alfonso June. Then si Quiz Zera. Then si Ella and si Dex. Rampa po muna.
Hindi nagigising bukas! Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Judea Dorsky and I came all the way from the City of Flowers, Zamboanga City. I speak like por favor, gracias, el hombre, el mujer. Bien bonita sa día ara aquí La Union, but I've been singing La Union for almost like 19 years now. Yeah, this is actually my second home, La Union. And I believe in the saying that I believe in the sayings that Nowadays, wala nang pangit sa social media because of the AI technology. Lahat tayo makaganda dahil sa filter. And of course, pag pangit tayo sa personal sinabi ng mga friends ninyo, kasalanan na ninyo yun. It is because dapat hanapin ninyo kung sino ang tabihan ninyo. And I thank you!
Ngayon po gumawa ng costume niyo po.
Yes po. Actually, this dress I wore at the Miss Universe Philippines 2026. The competition is actually I have here. I actually do designs. Yeah, there's Miss Universe here, and I put talak over here. Yeah, it's a Cruella inspired.
Tapos po, senior hair colorist and stylist po kayo. No?
Yes po.
So, masali din po ba kayo ng pageant?
Well, actually, that was long time ago when when my waistline was only 24. Yes, I became Miss Universe Zamboanga City. Yeah, far away. That was a long time ago. Waistline is about like 24, but now it's already 46.
Ano po ang pinakamahirap na buhok na niyo po na handle?
Actually, I've been doing hairstyles for almost like 30 years. Marami, especially in the province of La Union. Actually, a fun fact about myself, I represented La Union I will not mention the brand. It is a local brand, international brand actually. Ang pinakamahirap na buhok is yung mga dry ends, split ends, and everything na gusto nila mapapariman even though sira-sira na mga buhok nila. But as a matter of fact, the modern technology now, I think we can uplift the lifestyle of people by making them more beautiful because of the technology in our society nowadays.
Sige po. First edition yung ito sa Miss Q&A, right?
Yes, exactly.
Hindi pa po kayo nakakasalang sa Miss Q&A?
Hindi pa po. Actually, mga friends ko before, pero ako hindi pa po.
Okay, sige. First question na po tayo.
Okay.
Kung iisa na lang ang hibla ng buhok mo sa ulo, ano ang mas gusto mo? Una o kulot? Bakit?
I believe kung isa na lang ang hibla sa buhok ko, I prefer kulot. It is because it's a significance of what life is. Ang buhay natin ay may direksyon sa bawat palipaligid. Dapat natin palatatandaan na ang ating mga buhay ay dapat natin see to it that there's always direction. Don't ever lose hope. For example, like in one direction, sabi natin hindi na natin kaya, pero kaya pa rin natin. And that's what I said a while ago, that dapat talaga kulot para makakaroon tayo ng direksyon, in different direction. But at the end of the day, it's not just about here, it's about on how you manage your beautiful hairstyle.
Sige. Next question ko po. Kung ang 99% ng germs ay pinapatay ng rubbing alcohol,
Oh,
sino ang papatay sa 1%?
ang papatay sa 1%, of course, ang mga kurakot sa ating gobyerno. Of course, because we people must really need to have the thing that we deserve. You know what? It is very important for us, even sa alcohol naman, kung 1% na lang yun, dapat sana tayo maging mabuti ang mga kalagayan, lalo na mga mahirap na tao dito sa Bakat ng Lupa. Because you know what? It is this mga kurakot sa gobyerno natin is a no-no for me. And I believe that it's really very important to encourage these people to do good for the betterment of the Philippine Republic.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Muchas gracias.
Next po.
Ayan mga amigos and amigas, tapos na ang show, tapos na ang audition guys, pauwi na si Bakla, nagre-ready na, may kinukuha pa sa salon, sa mga gamit niya na naiwan. Ayan oh, parang pagod na si Bakla. Pagod na si Bakla. Ano ba yung eksena? Ayan oh, naghahanap siya ng mga gamit na naiwan niya, and then of course, uwi na siya with her maleta, as you can see guys. Ayan, nag-emote pa with a booch. Actually, I have high heels talaga, 7 inches, hindi ko sinuot, baka mamaya adjust ko, parang ano, ang pagod ang paa ko sa ano, nakakatakot yung ano, madulas kasi ang stage, pero I still can wear that anyway, as long as hindi masyado mahaba yung dress ko, kaya ko suotin yun. Of course, as a beauty queen before, kayang-kaya natin ang mga drama sa buhay. buhay-buhay. Hi! Ayan o, isa sa mga kandidata today. Ang ganda oh.
Thank you po.
Contour. Nakakalokang contour from where?
From Luna.
Ay, Luna! Yeah, ang ganda oh. Ikaw ba yung nanalo dito? Ngayong sa araw? Diba?
Hindi po.
Diba? Magandang contour. It's all brown. Bye! Welcome to CSI, guys! Ayan ang ganda-ganda! What can you say? Are you excited?
Sobrang excited. I want to show the whole universe that meron tayong talento.
Of course! From where?
From San Carlos City, Pangasinan.
Oh my God! Umuulan, oh! Location ng mga bading. Early. Ikaw audition ka? Oh, hi! Ang ganda ng mata ni Mama.
From Bawang.
Oh. Ay, Bawang! Oo. Mag-isa? Ako lang yun. Kasi magme-makeup muna ako. Yes, mga amigos and amigas, kahit hindi tayo mapipili pero at least we tried kasi in our lives you need always to do something. Kasi kung hindi ka naman mapipili at hindi ka nag-audition, edi wala din mangyayari. Kung mapipili ka, then it's okay. And if not, of course, at least you've tried. Ayan ang eksena ko. In our lives, we live only once. We need to do the most of everything in our everyday's living. As you can see, guys, our life is so short, so we really need to experience everything in our lives. And at the same time, always believe that there is always tomorrow. Kahit hindi ka napili, marami pang araw na darating. And of course, guys, as you can see, ayan, si Bakla pauwi na. Thank you very much for watching my vlog. And of course, I love you all. Hope to see you soon. Sana mapili si Bakla. Mapili si Bakla sa ano. Bye! Ano na? All the way here from La Union, guys. This is Judea Dorsky, of course, representing Asia's Latin city, the city of Zamboanga. God bless you all and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my experience here at Miss Q&A Talakera 2026. It's showtime, baby! See you on my next vlog. Bye!